Hi friends, our today's scan topic is CT scan chest, or you can call it HRCT scan chest, that is high resolution computerized tomography of chest. This scan is very important for patient who is having symptoms of COVID. HRCT scan nowadays widely used for screening of COVID patients. For this scan, patients don't require any preparation as such. Only thing, we have to take a written consent, and no metallic object or any jewelry should not be there in the chest area. Patient position is supine, head first, and both hands should be up above the head, and patient should be instructed to take a deep breath and hold it just like in chest x-ray. You can see the protocol here. First we have taken topogram. You can see the protocol FOV 409. You can see the topogram length, that is 512. Scan time is 4.4 second. You can see the planning of CT scan chest. We have covered from the apex till the finishing of the chest lungs. You can see diaphragm. You can see the slice thickness here, that is 1 millimeter of slice thickness. Soft tissue window we have taken, mediastinum window. You can see the gap here, 0.7 millimeter, and the number of images we have generated, that is 551. For filming, you can reconstruct it in 5 millimeter. We have already reconstructed it in 5 millimeter. Same soft tissue window, that is mediastinum window, gap of 5 millimeter, and we have generated 78 images. The most important is lung window, because we are doing for the lung. You can see here, lung we have started. Slice thickness always should be 1 millimeter when you are doing HRCT. HRCT is high resolution computerized tomography. So that means you have to take a minimum slice thickness, that is 1 millimeter of slice thickness. We have used Cornell here B80 ultra sharp lung window. You can see here gap is 0.7 millimeter, and we have generated 551 images. For filming, you can reconstruct it as per your convenience on what format you want to give the films. I will scroll lung window here. You can see it. This is one of the COVID patient. You can see the images here, how the COVID patients lungs look like. Now scrolling till the towards the head side. You can see the ground glass opacities on both lung. This report is generated by a radiologist. This report is already generated and mentioned as COVID positive, and the correct score is 6. Correct score is mentioned on radiological report. I scroll down the soft tissue as well. This is not as important as lung window. Only in case of mediastinum, lymph nodes or mass or any pathology, this soft tissue window is important, and in that case you have to give contrast and repeat this same scan after giving contrast after 40 seconds, that is venous phase. In other cases where patient having tuberculosis or any other lung disease, radiologists ask for expiratory phase, that is patient has to take deep breath, leave it and hold it, that is called expiratory phase, and you have to take a scan in that phase, or you have to take a prone scan. That is not important in COVID cases. So we have done only one plain scan here, that is inspiratory phase. We haven't taken expiratory phase because it is not important here. Thank you friends. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you once again.